ThinkNode M4 is a multifunctional power bank, innovatively integrated with Meshtastic communication module, LoRa long-distance wireless communication, and high-precision GPS module. Function display of ThinkNode M4. This is the schematic diagram of the ThinkNode M4 hardware interface. Long press the button to turn on the light. 4 long presses correspond to on, brighten, flash, and off respectively. Supports magnetic alignment charging. And Type-C port supports PD2OW fast charging. First, perform firmware flashing. Use a USB-C to USB-C converter cable to connect the device's Type-C port to your computer. Long press the function button for 20 seconds until your computer recognizes the storage drive labeled. Open the official Meshtastic firmware flashing website. Select LoRa as the brand. ThinkNode M4 as the model. Choose the stable version firmware. Then select the corresponding port. Download the UF2 firmware. Replace the UF2 file in the LoRa boot F drive to complete the flashing process. Android phone configuration for Meshtastic node, Meshtastic_EO2A. Open the Meshtastic app on your phone. Enter the pairing code 123456 and save to complete Bluetooth pairing. LoRa configuration, set region to United States. Ignore MQTT. Frequency to 915 MHz. Transmit power to 22. Device reboots automatically after saving. Configure positioning parameters. Broadcast interval 1 minute. Smart interval 15 seconds. Smart distant 1. Save device reboots. Wait for reconnection. Go to module config gives telemetry. Enable required data collection switches. Turn on external notifications. Enable the alert message LED switch and output LED active high option. Enter the channel. Select long fast. Set the channel name to M4. Enable location and save. Click Share Channels QR code to share the QR code for the M4 channel. Return to main interface gives node panel to view real-time information such as battery, temperature, and humidity. Device info gives position log to view the latest latitude and longitude data. Android phone configuration for Meshtastic node, Meshtastic_C7D5. Search for and select the device starting with Meshtastic_. Enter the pairing code 123456 to complete the pairing. LoRa configuration, positioning parameters, remote sensing, external notifications, and channel settings are all consistent with the previous steps. Use the connected C7D5 mobile phone to scan the M4 channel QR code to join the channel. ThinkNode M4 inter-device communication. Communication between the two devices is normal. Messages can be sent. The receiver displays real-time signal quality parameters with a red indicator light, and complete data interaction between devices is achieved.